Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Daher completes first EyePulse male drone flight demonstration for France's defense goals. Daher has completed a flight demonstration of its EyePulse medium altitude long endurance drone prototype, meeting a commitment made to the French Defense Procurement Agency after a rapid development cycle. The maiden flight took place from the company's Tarbes facility and was presented as proof of Daher's ability to respond quickly to defense requirements. The company produced the prototype in under 6 months with Thales as its partner, allowing it to meet the agency's goal of strengthening drone capabilities for French forces and export markets. The demonstration involved an automated sequence that included an autonomous landing phase. Daher acted as the project architect and integrated Thales' Scale FLYT avionics suite into an existing platform, activating a fully autonomous phase from the ground. This activation was carried out by Alexandre Lahous, Senior General Engineer of Armament Exceptional Class and the agency's Deputy Director General, who attended with a delegation. Thales provided the remote piloting system and the ground-to-air command and control link based on a technology-neutral principle intended to work across different systems. The companies said the work showed how their complementary expertise supported the EyePulse concept and enabled a controlled and self-reliant demonstration. Daher said the flight drew on certified civilian technologies and on capabilities from its Fly-in Technology Center in Tarbes, which contributed rapid prototyping, engineering and testing skills. The company highlighted that its civil aviation approvals and experience helped accelerate the integration of Thales systems into the drone demonstrator. The modular EyePulse design is intended to adapt to changing operational doctrines and varying military needs. Nicolas Chabot, CEO of Daher Group's Daher Aircraft Division, said, "As a partner of the armed forces for more than 30 years, Daher is leveraging its innovation capabilities and dual-use industrial expertise to fully contribute to the transformation of France's defense capabilities. We are mobilizing our skills and resources to prepare for the series production of drones. This EyePulse flight demonstration confirms the relevance of our approach and our ability to scale up production." Alexandre Lahous said, "The speed at which Daher implemented this demonstration illustrates the company's agility. Its ability to use certified and proven technological building blocks for new applications greatly facilitates their integration in the defense sector. Additionally, Daher's sovereign capabilities, through its industrialization and production capacity within France, are a major asset. Finally, its ability to collaborate effectively with other partners to integrate technologies that may not be mastered in-house also is to be commended." Daher said the successful flight shows it can integrate new technologies quickly while using its existing industrial base to support national sovereignty and industrial acceleration. The company added that the work, carried out with the agency's support, marks an important step towards series production of sovereign drone solutions for the French armed forces. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.